Last topic for the day. Jim Cramer is calling for a summer rally in stocks. He has some reasons for this. One of the reasons is that in general, July is always a hot month for stocks, and stocks tend to go up historically. They tend to do well in the month of July, but Cramer historically tends to be wrong a lot of these times. So do you guys think there's going to be a July rally in stocks in general outside of what Cramer says? Do you think the summer is going to be good for stocks? Justin, we'll start with you.
Yeah, so I just want to call out, he had Larry Williams in a technical analysis veteran chartist that says it's perfectly called the bottom last week, and that this could be a long-term bounce towards the end of August. I don't know. I think the chartist stuff is just having content and entertainment, which his show has been for 20 plus years. I think what is actually an interesting thought experiment before I say the market's still going to go down is core PCE is decelerating. And if we see inflation continue to decelerate, I think the market's going to be might actually rally. Like, I know that I'll take that as a very strong sign that I can start nibbling at stocks again. Furthermore, insider buying is at all-time highs. There's been like $1 billion of buying recently by CEOs and C-suite and boards of director folks that are buying their own stock. We're a bit oversold in the short term, and if inflation can get brought to heel, I think maybe we can get another rally.
Tom, do you expect a rally as well based upon inflation potentially going down?
So I've found a while ago a Reddit post, and I want to talk about Cramer specifically because you have my opinion and Justin's opinion of what's going on with the market. So the issue here is not what I think. The issue is whether Cramer is right or wrong. Now, people who live in Palantir houses should not be throwing stones, so I'm not going to be talking about bad predictions and projections, but I will tell you that I have analyzed, and I sent it to Justin right now so you can pull it up on the screen. It's on Slack. There's a Reddit post which analyzed 700 plus buy and sell ratings from Cramer over the years. And in those 700 and plus, they analyzed the buy recommendation and the sell recommendation. And you can see it on the screen right now. And to be honest, I was quite shocked. If you scroll down, Justin, you'll see also the sell recommendations, not just the buy. And the combination of them both actually seems, not as horrible as you would think. However, having said that, so it's not as bad as people make him to be. But Cramer, you have to understand what he is and what he isn't. Cramer is just the voice. He's like Stephen A. Smith on ESPN, right? He's the voice of what the mass is thinking or feeling. He's not there to give his own opinion or his own projections. He's just voicing whatever the crowd is so he can get the viewership and the click-through rate and everything. Because look, there's a reason why CNBC does not exist without Cramer. Simple. So I think he's a very smart guy. I think he knows a lot more than he's showing. But in order for him to exist, he has to keep this up and basically project what people are thinking on the street. Whether he's right or wrong, I talked about this in my videos. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. It's a complete mystery until it happens. So we can sit here all day and estimate and guesstimate and do charts and do models. Nobody knows. That's the simple answer. Not even Cramer.
I'm so impressed by that someone actually did this with Cramer.
It's beautiful.
19,000 recommendations on this program. I would want to dig in about what is a number, what is a percent of right pick, what is defined as right pick, because like 60% or 40% isn't a good hit rate, I guess, if you're just saying in isolation, did it go up by like 0.001%? I don't know. Like maybe I would love to dig into this. So I don't really want to opine on this. I would say like what's more important isn't like, oh, I get to pick a bunch. Like I can pick 19,000 recommendations and hope that my gut is like better than 50%. I think what's more helpful to people and more salient is how do you manage a portfolio? If you're picking 10 to 20% or 10 to 20 stocks, does that outperform the S&P or not?
He has more in his investment club, I believe.
Yeah, he's
much
like
more.
30 to 40, 50 maybe.
Yeah. That's basically just get the S&P 500 at this point. There's no point in that's not stock picking. It's just it's index fund.
Yeah. Do you think we have a rally in the summer?
Ooh, it's a tough question. It will depend on energy prices. So everything revolves around energy prices. If energy prices can be sustainable, which sustainable for me below 100, like double digits, not triple digits, and yes. If energy prices stay elevated, very hard to see that happen. It's all about the energy.
Which, by way of inflation, is a read through with inflation.
Yeah.
But crude's at
100%.
116, so that's a while to go.
OPEC hold all the cards, unfortunately. So our success in the stock market as stock pickers is at the hands of a cartel. Welcome to 2022.